the nachos in the camper, I've got my aluminum pan sprayed, and I'm going to add my potatoes. And just spread them out. And now to the tortilla chips, I got some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to sprinkle mozzarella cheese all over the top. We like a lot of cheese. And then I've got some of the Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle some of that on there, all over the cheese. Okay, now I've got some leftover taco meat. I'm just gonna sprinkle it over top. Okay, now the jalapeno peppers, you just want to put them all over the top of it. Okay, now it's ready to be put in the oven, or you can put it on top of your grill and let the cheese all melt. I'll bring you back. Now I'm going to pour this hot cheese on there. This is queso. Okay, now I'm going to stick it back in the oven for a little bit. And now I'm going to squirt on some ranch dressing. I got some diced red bell peppers. There's our nachos. They look yummy. How's the nachos, hun?
They're great.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Yay. I'm glad you like them. We're sitting in our camper eating.